Amazon's October Prime Big Deal Days event returns on October 8th to 9th, offering the perfect opportunity to jumpstart your holiday shopping well before the season kicks into full gear. With major discounts across categories like tech, home, apparel, and more, now is the ideal time to grab some of the year's most popular products at unbeatable prices. In this guide, we have already rounded up the best early Prime Day deals, focusing on top-rated items, discounts greater than 20%, and rarely discounted products. These curated picks ensure you get the best value on purchases that are truly worth the investment. All product links are provided in the description. Number 21. Levoit 2.5L Humidifier was $40, now $29. Keep your home comfortable this winter with the Levoit 2.5L Humidifier, which features quiet operation and customizable mist levels. It's compact yet powerful, perfect for bedrooms or offices. With a 28% discount, it's an affordable solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels indoors. Number 20. iRobot Roomba Q0120 Robot Vacuum was $250, now $179. The Roomba Q0120 is a budget-friendly robot vacuum with smart sensors that provide efficient cleaning across multiple floor types. At 28% off, it's a great deal for those looking for hands-free cleaning solutions without splurging on higher-end models. Number 19. Roborock Qrevo S Robot Vacuum and Mop was $800, now $550. Save time on cleaning with the Roborock Qrevo S, which offers powerful 7,000 Pascal suction and dual spinning mops for a deeper clean. It automatically empties its dust bin and refills water, making home cleaning completely hands-free. Number 18. Cosori 6QD9-in-1 Air Fryer was $120, now $90. This versatile Cosori 6QD air fryer can bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and more. With 9-in-1 functionality and a large capacity, it's perfect for cooking family-sized meals with ease. Number 17. Amazon Eero 6 Plus Mesh Wi-Fi Router 3-Pack was $300, now $195. This 3-pack of Eero 6 Plus Mesh Wi-Fi routers offers wireless coverage for over 4,500 square feet with a 35% discount. It's the perfect solution for improving home Wi-Fi speed and reliability. It supports over 75 connected devices, making it ideal for larger households or home offices. Number 16. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum was $599, now $330. Tackle up to 60 days of debris before emptying the dock with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Featuring LiDAR navigation, smart mapping, and obstacle avoidance, this vacuum offers thorough cleaning with minimal effort. Now 45% off, it's an excellent investment for automated home cleaning. Number 15. Soundcore by Anker P20i Earbuds was $40, now $20. These budget-friendly earbuds by Anker deliver high-quality sound at an even more affordable price. Now 50% off, they feature water resistance, making them ideal for workouts or work calls. Their lightweight design ensures comfort throughout the day, and the half-off discount adds to their appeal. Number 14. Amazon Fire HD 8 Tablet was $130, now $60. The Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet boasts an 8-inch HD display and 64 gigabytes of storage, making it perfect for entertainment, work, or casual browsing. With a 54% discount, this tablet is an unbeatable bargain for anyone looking for a portable, affordable device for reading, streaming, or apps. Number 13. Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro Tablet was $150, now $90. Designed with kids in mind, the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro Tablet offers an 8-inch HD display and extensive parental controls. Number 12. Amazon Fire TV 32-inch 2 Series HD was $200, now $130. This 32-inch Fire TV is ideal for small spaces like bedrooms, college dorms, or kids' rooms. Number 11. Amazon Fire TV 50-inch 4 Series 4K was $450, now $300. Upgrade to a 50-inch Amazon Fire TV for an immersive 4K viewing experience. With built-in Fire TV software, you can easily stream all your favorite movies, shows, and more. Now 33% off, it's the perfect time to get a large-screen TV at a great price. Number 10. Samsung T5 EVO Portable 4TB SSD. Was $425, now $230. This Samsung T5 EVO Portable SSD is perfect for storing large files like photos, videos, and documents, with its 4 terabytes capacity. Compact and durable, it's easy to carry, and at 46% off, this reliable external drive offers exceptional value for content creators and tech enthusiasts alike. Number 9. Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum Plus Mop. Was $870, now $380. Get both vacuuming and mopping in one device with the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. With 4,200 Pascal suction and advanced LiDAR navigation, it ensures spotless floors. This robot vacuum is now available at 57% off, making it a great deal for those seeking premium features at an affordable price. Number 8. Apple Watch SE. Was $249, now $189. Stay connected with Apple's Watch SE, which offers all the essential smartwatch features like fitness tracking, notifications, and more. Number 7. Kasa Smart Plug Mini 15A 4-pack. Was $50, now $34. Transform your household into a smart system with these Kasa Smart Plug Minis. This 4-pack allows you to control lights and appliances via your phone or voice assistant. With a 32% discount, it's an easy way to upgrade your home with smart automation features. Number 6. Apple iPad 10th Gen. Was $349, now $299. Apple's 10th generation iPad is ideal for productivity, streaming, or creative tasks. With a 10.9-inch display and powerful A14 Bionic chip, it offers great performance at a budget-friendly price. Number 5. Anker Nano 30W USB-C GAN charger. Was $23, now $15. Anker's 30-watt USB-C GAN charger offers ultra-fast charging in a compact design, making it a great option for travel or backup charging at home. It's compatible with many devices, including iPhones, tablets, and laptops. Now at a 35% discount, it's a must-have accessory for tech enthusiasts. Number 4. Torras iPhone 15/16 Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Was $42, now $30. Protect your new iPhone 15 or 16 with this durable tempered glass screen protector from Torras. Offering 9H hardness, it's scratch-resistant and shatterproof. It's the perfect investment to keep your phone's screen safe from damage. Now with a 29% discount. Number 3. MacBook Air M2 256GB. Was $999, now $800. The MacBook Air M2 is a powerhouse with Apple's latest chip, offering seamless performance in a slim and lightweight design. Number 2. Google Pixel Buds Pro plus $30 Amazon gift card. Was $259, now $229. The Google Pixel Buds Pro deliver premium sound quality with active noise cancellation and long battery life. With this deal, you also receive a free $30 Amazon gift card. This package combines top-notch wireless earbuds and added value, perfect for music lovers and tech enthusiasts. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Portable Powerstation. Was $799, now $499. This versatile Jackery power station is perfect for outdoor trips, emergencies, or simply ensuring that your devices are always charged. With 1,000-watt output and multiple charging ports, it powers anything from smartphones to small appliances. Plus, it's 38% off, making it a must-have backup power solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.